These 5A tools are about to transform how you work, from content creation to automation. We're breaking down the game changers that freelancers and small business owners can't afford to miss. First up, A writing and design tools. ChatGPT Plus handles copywriting, email campaigns, and brainstorming in seconds. Midjourney creates stunning visuals without design skills. Runway generates short-form videos automatically. Together, they cut production time by 70%. Creators are shipping 10 times more content with half the effort. Next, automation tools. Zapier connects 9,000 police apps, eliminate repetitive tasks instantly. Claude handles complex analysis and research faster than humans. Make.com builds custom workflows without coding. Small businesses using these save 23 hours. Third category, customer insights. Typeform AI, surveys analyze feedback automatically. Perplexity delivers research in seconds. Levity automates customer support with AI. These tools help you understand your audience deeper and respond faster. Smart businesses are using AI to personalize every interaction at scale. Start with one tool, master it, then expand. Audit your workflow, identify your biggest time drain first. Stack tools using Zapier or Make. Most creators ROI within 30 days. The competitive edge in 2026 goes to those automating today. Your move. Hit subscribe for weekly AI tool reviews and tutorials. Drop a comment. Which task are you automating first? Weekly AI